Sheikh Hamdan and Sheikh bint Saeed lose baby after pregnancy complications. Sheikh bint Saeed shared the devastating news that she and her husband, Crown Prince, lost their baby after she experienced pregnancy complications. The princess, sheikha, social media personality, was expecting her third child with Legend. Both she and Legend posted the news late Wednesday night on their social media accounts. We are shocked and in the kind of deep pain you only hear about, the kind of pain we have never felt before, she wrote on Instagram. We were never able to stop the bleeding and give our baby the fluids he needed, despite bags and bags of blood transfusions. It just wasn't enough. In the post, Sheikh bint Saeed shared that she and Legend had settled on the name sheikha for the baby. We never decide our babies' names until the last possible moment after they're born, just before we leave the hospital, wrote sheikha. But for some reason, we have started to call this little guy in my belly Sheikh Hamdan, so he will always be Sheikh to us. Sheikh Hamdan worked so hard to be a part of our little family, and he will be forever, she continued to our Sheikh Hamdan. I'm so sorry that the first few moments of your life were met with so many complications that we could not give you the home you needed to survive. We will always love you. Sheikh Hamdan and Sheikh bint Saeed have 2 children together. Sheikha had been very open about her difficult pregnancy, sharing that she was hospitalized over the weekend due to the complications. In a post, she thanked the public for the outpouring of love and support the couple had received and wrote, "We are so grateful for the life we have, for our wonderful babies, for all the amazing things we've been able to experience. But every day can't be full of sunshine. On this darkest of days, we'll grieve, we'll cry our eyes out, and we will hug and love each other harder and get through it."